SAT Math skill number 7, which is related with exterior angles and interior angles, and it's telling you an exterior angle, right? An exterior angle equals the sum of far away interior angles. So that means if you're having a triangle, right? You're having any triangle, and in this triangle you'll be always having some, if you'll produce any line, you'll make an exterior angle, right? You'll get an exterior angle here like this. For example, if it is angle 1, and the angle other angles in the triangle will be angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. So it's telling you angle 1 will be equal to the sum of the far away interior angles. So angle 1 will not be equal to 4 plus 3 or 4 plus 2, because 4 is not far away. Far away are 2 and 3, right? Opposite and far away triangles angles. So angle 1 will be angle 2 plus angle 3. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. So angle 1 is exterior angle. This is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3, and these two angles are far away interior angles. So exterior angle will be equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. And let us take one more example here. If you'll produce the line on this side, right? If you'll produce the line this side, so there'll be an exterior angle here. Let us take it as angle 1. That'll be equal to sum of the interior angles, opposite interior angles, which are far away, like 2 and 3 here. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Now let us try to use this skill in the questions, which are like very similar to the questions which come in the SAT. So you're having the medium level question here, and the figure is not drawn to scale, and you're having two triangles like they're connected together, and it's telling you what is the value of y minus x. So y minus x, and you're given all the other angles, and nearly 4 angles you're given: 30, 75, 45, and 2x you can calculate by sum of the angles, right, of the triangle. But you had to calculate y minus x. So well, if you'll see y is an exterior angle of this triangle ABC, where AB is produced to D, for example. So AB is produced to D, and you're getting an exterior angle y. So this y will be equal to sum of the far away interior opposite angles. So y will be equal to 75 plus 45. So y equals 75 plus 45. So y equals 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So y equals 120. Now we had to calculate the value of x, right? And x we can calculate by sum of the angles of the triangle, right? Sum of the angles of the triangle. So 75 plus 45 plus 2x equals 180, or 120 plus 2x equals 180. So 2x equals 60. 180 minus 120 will be 60. So x equals 30. So we have to calculate y minus x, not y, not x. Sometimes this also becomes a mistake. You calculate the value of y and you just plug in the value of y as 120, or you calculate the value of x as 30 and you plug in the value of x as 30. But you have to be very cautious about, like, what is the question asking me. So y minus x is the question, right? So 120 minus 30, that is equal to 90. So you'll plug in the answer as 90 in the options. Now let us see question number 2. In the figure above, segments AC and BD intersect at E. So AC and BD intersect at E. If the measure of angle AEB is 70, so let's mark it. Let us mark it as 70. And segment EF, which is not shown, bisects angle BEC. So BEC is bisected. So let us mark it as here. It is bisected, so it's cut into two parts. So whatever the angle here, you are getting that into exactly two parts. For example, if this is angle 1, so this also will be angle 1. They'll be same because it's bisecting it. So it's telling you what is the measure of angle FED. So if it is F here, it's given EF, so FED. So we have to calculate FED here. Now we need to calculate for FED, we need to calculate angle 1 first. And we know that AEC is a line, right? AEC is a line, that means angle 70 plus angle 1 plus angle 1, right? Because these are two angles, angle 1, right? Angle 70 plus angle 1 plus angle 1, because EF is bisector of angle BEC. It's cutting it into exactly two parts. I can first write it as angle 70 plus angle BEC is 180, or you can say angle BEC is equal to 180 minus 7, that's 110, and BEC is actually angle 1, right? So twice angle 1 is 110, so we can say angle 1 is 55 degrees. So we got angle 1 is 55, but we don't know CED. We don't know CED, as CED plus angle 1 is our required angle, FED. Here you're able to see that AEC and BED, they are like cutting each other. So whenever you're having two lines cutting each other, you'll be having vertically opposite angles, right? You're having angle AEB, right? AEB will be equal to DEC, right? So this angle will be equal to this angle. In the same way here, angle 70 will be equal to angle CED, so this will be also 70. Now what we are interested is FED. So FED, so angle FED is actually equal to angle 1 plus angle 70. So angle 1 we have calculated as 55 plus angle 70 is FED. So 55 plus 70, that is equal to like 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 125. So 125 FED is 125 degrees. So that is our angle which we need to calculate. So let us see the next question, which comes in the hard part of the questions. In the figure above, x is 71. So x is 71. What is the value of y plus z? These are all a type of exterior angles, where you're having one of the sides of the triangle which are like produced, and you're getting the exterior angle. So in a triangle, we know that there are three angles. Let us take it as angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. And angle y, which is an exterior angle, will be equal to far away opposite interior angle. So it will be 1 plus 3. So y will be equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. In the same way, z will be equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2. So z will be equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, opposite angles. And angle x, right? Angle x is actually equal to angle 1, right? Because that is vertically opposite angle. Angle x is equal to angle 1. We have to calculate the value of y plus z. So y plus z. Let us. We also know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180, and we know that x is 71. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180, right? And x is 71. So angle 1 is 71, right? Angle 1 is 71. Then what we can do is, we are interested in calculating the value of y plus z. So we'll calculate y plus z. Y plus z is actually equal to this equation 1 plus equation 2. So y plus z is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 1 plus angle 2. And this will be equal to angle 1 plus angle 1 will be twice angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 2. So that will be equal to twice angle 1. So angle 1 is already given that it is x and it's 71. So twice 71, x is 71, x is 71, angle 1 is 71. So you're given that twice 71, that is 142, plus angle 3 plus angle 2. We can calculate it from this equation 3 here. Angle 3 plus angle 2, or angle 2 plus angle 3, is 180 minus angle 1, right? 180 minus angle 1, and angle 1 is 71. So that'll be equal to 142 minus 71, that is 71 again, plus 180, and that'll be equal to 180 plus 71, that is 251 degrees. So that is option D. Now let us see fourth question. In the figure above, the dotted lines bisect angles. Okay, so they're bisecting the angles with measures x, y. Okay, so these two dotted lines are bisecting the lines with measures x and y, so they're making it equal to x by 2, x by 2, y by 2, y by 2. So in terms of x and y, what is the value of z? Well, it's very simple. There's a triangle. Let us take it as ABC. So one angle will be x by 2, another angle will be y by 2, and z is z. So we can write x by 2 plus y by 2 plus z equals 180. Or we had to calculate the value of z in terms of x and y. So we can write z equals 180 minus this whole thing, minus x by 2 plus y by 2. That's why I have taken that, I've taken the negative outside the brackets. So it'll be z will be equal to 180 minus, this divided by 2 can be taken as common. It can be written as 1 divided by 2 x plus y. So it can be written as 180 divided 1 divided by 2. When you'll see in the decimals, you'll get is 0.5, because we have to see what option, how the answer is written in the options. So we have to convert that into our required option. So it'll be x plus y. So 0.5 times x plus y. So 180 minus 0.5 times x plus y, that's option A, and that is the right answer.